G'day there, it's Glenn Smith here from Excl Car In Officer, and what I'm going to do today is take you for a quick walk around tour of our 2021 Ford Ranger FX4 Max, which has just arrived in the stock. Please take note, this ute has got over $25,000 worth of accessories fitted to the vehicle, so it will not last long, and it is ready to go for that Christmas or New Year's break for that young up-and-coming tradie or someone that just wants a tough-looking ute. This one is ready to go. So what I'll do is I'll take you right around the exterior of the vehicle. I'll try and point out as many accessories this vehicle does have. Again, if I do forget anything, I do apologise, but we have listed it on the website of all the extra features this vehicle does have. Fantastic value also with a full Ford dealership service history. Again, all the photos of that will be on the website as well. So we'll start from the exterior of the vehicle. We'll work our way right around the utility through the interior as well. And again, if I do miss anything, I do apologise, but it does have a lot of features, so I may miss something, but all the photos are on the website of what this vehicle does have. So you see the vehicle does have, it's been fitted with a set of Rhino rack, aftermarket roof racks with your solar panel on the top, and also has the Dune sign awning, which I'll take you around as we walk around the utility as well. But as you see, really clean condition. Starting from that driver's door, we'll work our way right around. Absolutely phenomenal condition. Side steps, again, on this model are standard. Fox suspension, which is standard on this model, and also your rear bar, sports bars on the back of the vehicle. They're a standard fitment in the Ranger FX4 Max, but everything else I'll list will be accessories over and above, which are aftermarket. So it does have the painted stainless steel snorkel as well. Now I have got the ute running through the video, so you can hear it run all the way through, just so you can hear confidence engine is running as well as it should be. And also your alloy wheels and a set of Falken all-terrains fitted on this vehicle also as well. Coming to the front end of the vehicle, it does have an off-road animal replacement steel bull bar. Really good quality steel bull bar with front sensors fitted. Also does have the front driving lights. They're a Terralume driving light on the front of the vehicle, and also does have a Runva Winch. Again, all these photos are on the website. Beneath the front steel bull bar, again, is your underbody protection as well. So it has got a lot of extras fitted. Also your GME UHF stereo or radio, which is internal to the vehicle as well. That's the aerial for that as well. Coming to your front guard area bonnet as well. Passenger front guard, really clean throughout. Beautiful condition. Down to your Falken all-terrain tyre with your alloy wheels. Again, plenty of tread off of those tyres, so plenty of years of motoring with those tyres moving forward as well. So the front bonnet, beautiful condition. I apologise, it's a little bit wet. We've had a bit of rain this morning, but hopefully that rain will now hold off. But I apologise, there's a little bit of water left on the vehicle, but nothing hugely wise. It's not going to stop me from pointing out if there is any marks on the vehicle anyway. But continuing on the front guard, passenger front door, really clean condition. Beautiful condition. Does have the window tint fitted as well. Absolutely phenomenal condition. Down to your factory side steps again. Beautiful all the way through. Back up to your Dune sign awning. So again, another aftermarket item which has been fitted. And again, there's so many options this car's been fitted with. Back to your rear door on the passenger side, just with the paint condition. You'll see my reflection in the background of the ute behind it as well. Shows you how well and clean this vehicle is. And then coming back to your rear quarter panel of the tub on that passenger side with your FX4 Max decals. Beautiful condition again. And then coming back to your rear tyre, which is your Falken all-terrain tyres. Beautiful condition again. Up on the sports bar section, you will see the Rhino roof racks with that removable mesh storage unit on top as well. Again, all those extras would have been fitted on top of the Utemaster Hard Lid. So we've made a note on the website, these Utemaster Hard Lids aren't cheap. You're probably looking at in excess of $6,500 just for that item on the top section. Really handy and good quality and very strong as well. So I'll try and do it one-handed if I can to open that hard lid. Just that little lever there to open that hard lid up. Really good quality, very heavy and great condition as well. So you'd see the internal lining there. Beautiful condition. Coming back to your tailgate, I will open that drawer so you can see inside the tub as well. But paint condition of that tailgate, absolutely phenomenal. Down to your rear protection step, which has got the reverse sensors factory fitted, and also your tow bar fitted. Again, phenomenal condition. And the best thing with the tailgate, it is a soft open tailgate, so lift that lever, pull that back, it is a soft opening tailgate. So again, that's another option over and above your standard utility Again, you do see your slider drawer in there as well, so really handy if kids got sleeping bags or you've got a fridge situated in the back of the tub. You can fit all your items in that unit just there, which would have been an option over and above factory again. Little button here, and that slide tray will then slide out, so it gives you options to grab all your stuff that's in the back of that utility a little bit easier. So whether it be tooling, camping outfits, fridge, sleeping bags for the kids, really handy, so you don't have to kind of stretch too far to grab all those items and then to slide back in. So nice and easy. Side's a bit wet just from when we washed the car. Internal plugs, again, all these photos of the 12 volt plug outlets on the website. And then coming back to your tailgate, it has the internal storage for that tailgate as well. So you've got a little button here, a little button there, so it's a little storage section. I'll try and do this one-handed if I can. Just for your tub section, so any tent pegs, tooling, hammers, knives, screwdrivers, whatever it may be, kids' towels, socks, whatever it may be, that compartment is an option over and above your base model Ranger as well. So they've been fitted by the previous client also, so really handy for extra storage again. To shut that Utemaster Hard Lid again, just pull that down. Really good quality. You see it's quite heavy and quite strong, so they're not a cheap item, so please take that into account too. If you're looking at Rangers with these options, those options do mount up in money that's been spent on the utility. Coming to the back end of the driver's side condition, you'll see the quarter panel, beautiful condition all the way through of that rear quarter panel. To your final tyre for your Falken all-terrains and alloy wheel, again, beautiful condition. And then coming back to your rear door, just to complete the exterior, absolutely phenomenal condition of paintwork. Just a tough looking ute. Wish I could afford it, but I can't, but it's absolutely phenomenal. Interior wise, just to show you through the interior of the utility. So it does have a genuine set of rubber floor mats fitted. You'll see your leather interior, really clean condition behind that driver's seat and also over to your passenger seat. Really clean throughout. Coming to your interior seats for the rear, again being the FX4 Master, it does have the partial leather and the suede inner, so you'll see the suede section is just up here, so really good looking utility. Pretty luxurious, to be honest. Really clean throughout, so you'll see your seating's in great condition also there as well. We'll open the driver's door just to show you through the features driver's side as well. Again, your rubber floor mats in the front end section. Throttle controller, again, photos of these on the website too. Throttle controller is also fitted. Your interior lighting, back to your seating. Again, no tears or splits in the interior. And then coming up to driver's seat, passenger seat, it does have the FX4 Max embroidery, which is standard in the FX4 model, in the Max model of course. Just makes it look a little bit tougher again. Again, beautiful condition of that interior. And then we'll jump inside the ute just to show you interior wise of the features as well. So we'll jump up inside the utility, get the correct kilometres for you as well. All right, so current kilometres as we speak is 147,736. So they are the current kilometres as we speak. Top section of the utility, all your auxiliary buttons. Again, the new Ranger models in the Wildtraks will have those as well. You do have your UHF stereo, which is hardwired through the car, so you'll see your wiring straight into the vehicle. Again, your red arc electric brake unit. Again, they're all options over and above your standard stuff again. Heading back up to your stereo system, so it does have your factory satellite navigation. Again, reverse camera is standard on this model. You do have your home button taking you back to the main screen, so you just touch the home button just in the top section here. You got your audio, so AM, FM radios. Pretty basic system to use, not too tricky. And then coming beneath that is your dual climate control, your 12 volt plug, USB ports, again your red arc electric brakes, and your UHF stereo. Another feature this vehicle does have over and above your other ranges, you'll see it does have heated front seats and massage front seats as well. So I'm going to put the massage on now. I think there's two settings, so that's in the lower lumbar support, so lower back section. No, it's in the same section, but two settings. You've got a high and a low for massaging in the front seat. I'll turn that off, and then you've also got your heated seats as well, so really handy for winters and such. You've got different settings for your heated seats, and you can turn it off, so you've got high, medium or low. I'm going to turn that massaging off because it's going to put me to sleep. So you do have your massaging and front heated seats, so really handy. But again, I suggest probably not have the massaging while you're driving, so don't fall asleep, of course. Automatic transmission, your 4x4 dial in the center. Back towards your steering wheel, you do have your cruise control, your Bluetooth and your menu settings on the left hand side of your steering wheel, and your cruise control to your right hand side as well. So absolutely phenomenal value for money, with over $25,000 of extras added over and above your FX4 Max standard features. Great colour, great condition, and definitely will not last long. But again, ready for your Christmas holidays or New Year's break that you may have. This car is ready to go, whether it's camping or you're going to be working over that Christmas break. This one is absolutely phenomenal, and again, will not last long. So if you have any questions moving forward, speak to either Andrew or Glenn at Your Next Car here in Officer. Be a pleasure to take you through this vehicle. But again, hopefully we've found the right car for you, and I'm tipping this Ranger will not last long. Have a great day. G'day there, it's